On number 24, is the result of 19 girls a result that's significantly high? Well, you found mu plus 2 standard deviations to be 16.8. Just like you found mu minus 2 standard deviations, that was 7.2. And now they're asking you about 19. 19 is up here where it's significantly high. So the result is significantly high because 19 girls is greater than this upper point. And number 27 says if one shipment of 4,000 aspirin tablets actually has 3% defects, and they tell us in the problem that they accept the whole batch if there is only 1 or 0 defects, then they accept the whole thing. And in this particular problem, the acceptance sampling plan is to randomly select and test 53 tablets. So N is 53, and my P is 0.03, and the company will accept how many? Well, they're going to accept X is less than or equal to 1. That's 0 or 1. And that gives me 0.52553. That's what they're going to accept because you had 0 or 1 defects. And then you're going to reject 1 minus that number. 5253, and that's 4747.